Hi there, I'm going to be explaining how to put one of the lifts together for the WBC kit that we've got. So we've got 4 dovetailed sides. We have a porch base and a porch and 4 lats to go inside. So we start by laying these out. And it is quite crucial to get these the right way round, because you can get them the wrong way round. So it's just a matter of sort of spinning it round until you get the right angle on it. There we go. So they'll just slot in there like that. Now they are all beveled because they sit beveled like that. So as a result, the tops are beveled, which is why it's crucial to get it the right way around. If you get it the wrong way around, you'll end up with a bevel going that way and then a bevel going that way, which is not going to be any good for anybody. Once you get the first few in, it becomes a lot easier, self-explanatory. And just locate that in there and there, and then with your rubber mallet just tap it down. Spin it round, tap it down. And just until all the sides are together. I want to make sure it's sort of roughly square, which that is, so that's fine. And then with 1.5" nails, the nail pattern is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Quite crucial with this first bit here, with it being quite a skinny piece of timber, to try and get the nail as far in as possible because of the risk of it splitting. Also, put it again at a little bit of an angle like that, and it just ensures that it's a good contact. Sometimes what you'll find is when you've been hammering this side, this will start to come apart a little bit, so all you have to do is just give it a little bit of a tap just to knock it back home again, just like that. So what you don't want is to start hammering and then find out that you've got a gap down there, so just make sure that everything's nice and tight. There you go, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then just repeat that all the way round. And as you can see, what that does is it kind of acts as a key. So you've got 1 there and 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, 1 there and 1 there, and you know, so on and so forth. Just make sure it's all nice and keyed together. Okay, so that's that stage done. Next stage is to fit the lats. Now, these, as you can see, they're all beveled on the top. The reason for that is this is beveled inside. So when you put these in, they sit nice and flush against that side there, like that. And they want to be going one thickness of these lats up. So the easiest way to do it is just to put a lat on the bottom and then push that down so it sits flush. I'll put a little bit of glue on these myself. Now the important thing when putting these in is just to have a lat down here and then push that up against that lat. So you've got a lat on the bottom and a lat down there, and that just means by the time you get round to here, this is going to be a guaranteed snug fit. And these are inch nails that go in here, 4-inch nails, 4-inch nails. Make sure the nails go in fairly dead centre, and then just follow it around like that. Always checking that the lat's nice and flush with the bottom, just to ensure that they're all in the same position. This is where the last one comes in now. See, that's a nice snug fit there. And just try it in position. No gaps there, and then that can just be pushed up there, so there's no gaps there either. And you can just hold that one in position with the lats that are already in place. And that's it, that's the lats fitted. So the next stage is to put your porch on. There'll be 3 lifts, 2 of which will not have porches, 1 will.